I think the key thing is understanding, like, the whole picture is around data readiness.
Mm-hmm.
And what that looks like is essentially making sure the data is accurate, timely, tells a story, it's not completely irrelevant. People are getting access to things that they need to get access to. And so it's all well and good to say that, but then, okay, like you said, how do we actually do that? And so the way that we can do that in the first place that we need to start is consolidating our data. So that doesn't necessarily mean, like you might say, well, I've got it all together in Microsoft sort of, but that in itself can also require a little bit of consolidation and understanding. But if you're listening and you're sort of going, well, actually, I don't quite know. I think we've got a bit in Google Drive, got a bit in Dropbox, we've got a bit in Box, we've got some stuff on people's like desktops, God forbid, then yeah, that's the first place to start. Understand where the data is, consolidate as much as you can. Through that process, you'll obviously be assessing the data that you have. What is it? Is it relevant? Is it obsolete? Is it trivial? Is it highly sensitive? Is it business critical? All those different things. Once we actually then understand the data, we know where it is, understand it, we can then secure and govern.
Exactly. But unless we know what it is, where it is, how sensitive it is, what's the risk, what's the value, things like that, you can't make any of those decisions about how to.
Yeah.
So you have to start, that's your essential number one starting place.
Yeah. It has to be an ongoing monitoring and maintenance piece in relation to security and governance now. It's not I'm going to set these policies up and it's done for me. Yeah. It's I need to get in there and look at a dashboard, a platform, how are people interacting? I need some alert policies. I need to understand it because we all know, and we've seen it, if you restrict something too much because you're like, oh, let's just lock that down, people will complain because they can't do their job properly, or they'll just be sneaky, download it, put it in somewhere else, send an attachment. So we need a balance there, and it needs to be logical and still effective for the end user. So yeah, the governance and security piece is huge. And as I say, it used to be kind of a set and forget. Now it's like all of it has to be an ongoing moving piece, and businesses just can't do it by themselves anymore.